Hey everyone, welcome back to Lift and Feast. Today we have an amazing recipe lined up for you. Paneer steak with curry leaves infused sago topped with a healthy makhni sauce. तो चलिए चलते हैं किचन में and let's see how it's made. Let's get cooking. First, let's marinate our paneer steak. For this, we will use peanut oil, freshly ground black pepper, chili flakes and sea salt. Massage the marinade into the paneer steaks and let it sit for about 15 to 20 minutes. Paneer is a great source of protein and calcium, which helps in muscle building and maintaining bone health. Paneer also contains healthy fats that provide a good energy boost without adding too many calories. It's a very versatile and can be used in many other different dishes. आपको पनीर पसंद है क्या? Paneer is the best consumed during the day or after a workout because it helps in muscle recovery and provides sustained energy. So it's an excellent option for lunch or an early dinner. Next, let's make the curry leaves infused sago. मीडियम फ्लेम में एक हेवी बॉटम पैन में करी लीव्स डालेंगे. ये जब क्रैकल करना शुरू हो जाएं, तब इसमें चॉप्ड अनियंस डालेंगे और सौते करेंगे until they turn translucent. अब इसमें बॉइल्ड क्यूब्स पोटैटो डालेंगे. ये ऑप्शनल है but adds a nice texture. Toss them well. Add the soaked sabudana, toss everything together, and season with black pepper and sea salt. Sago, yani ki sabudana, is a good source of carbohydrates, which provides instant energy and helps in digestion. ये especially fasting के दिनों में बहुत useful होता है. Cooking sabudana is all about getting the right texture. Make sure it's translucent and not too mushy. Sago is light on stomach and makes for a great breakfast or evening snack, providing you with quick energy. Now let's make the healthy and quick makhni sauce. एक heavy bottom pan लीजिए, peanut oil add करिए और heat करिए. I prefer peanut oil due to its health benefits. Add home cooked tomato puree, MDH Shahi Paneer masala, freshly chopped coriander roots and sea salt. Stir on a slow flame. Avoid using canned tomato puree as it can be too sweet or too sour. Fresh ingredients always bring out the best flavors. You can add a bit of sugar or honey to balance the flavors and cooking cream if you like it. Stir it for a while and set it aside. This makhni sauce is very versatile. You can use it as a sandwich spread, pasta sauce, or for many other chicken dishes. The sauce is rich in antioxidants from tomatoes and healthy fats from peanut oil. A good makhni sauce can elevate any dish. It's creamy, flavorful, and so satisfying. Make sure to simmer it well to get the perfect consistency. Peanut oil adds healthy monounsaturated fats which are great for heart health and maintaining healthy cholesterol levels. Let's cook the paneer steak. एक heavy bottom pan में थोड़ा peanut oil डालिए and cook the marinated paneer steaks on medium flame until they're golden on both sides. I prefer cooking them in a pan instead of an oven or an air fryer to avoid making them chewy and dry. The pan searing method keeps them juicy and flavorful. Make sure both sides are nice and golden. This gives the paneer a lovely crust and enhances the flavor. Paneer cooked this way retains its moisture and softness, making it a delightful bite. Now let's do some fancy plating. Good food deserves a good presentation. First, add a layer of makhni sauce on the plate. Place the paneer steak on top. Add more sago and finish with another paneer steak and sago. Garnish with chopped coriander leaves and curry leaves. And there you have it. Paneer steak with curry leaves infused sago and healthy makhni sauce. Serve it to your family and enjoy. Hashtag healthy eating. And happy Sunday! Paneer steak is not only delicious but also packed with nutrients, making it a perfect for a wholesome meal. Eating well-balanced meal like this can support your fitness goals and keep you energized throughout the day. See you next time with amazing vegan recipes. Until then, take care of yourself and your family. Rab Rakha. Bye bye everyone.